This is dedicated video for all those who thinks conducting NEET and JEE in September is a good or secured time. So firstly, government is sure that they are ready with their SOP. So firstly we see the SOP condition, which were followed during other entrance exam. Firstly we look over the SOP condition of KEAM entrance exam in Kerala. So here social distancing was not followed, and many COVID students came out from here. Secondly, look out at the conditions of KCET exam SOP. So same like condition arised here also. No SOP norms were followed. 60 to 70 cases were seen by the next day of exam here. Thirdly, look at the conditions of UP bed condition and SOP. No social distancing. No thermal scanning. No other norms were followed. So from all these three conduction we found all the SOP measures given by government were successfully flopped and failed. So we cannot be dependent on SOP of government or authorities. Now second situation is flood in many parts of India, like Assam, Bihar etc. The students are overlaid under floor. So how they can prepare or give the exam in upcoming 15 days. So they are also an aspirant, they have also aim of becoming engineer or doctor. So government should postpone the exam until normalcy returns. Next is COVID-19 due which the exam are affected badly. Exam were to be conducted by April, and were delayed when there were only hundreds of cases. But at present 6,000 plus cases are witnessed daily. So how could it be conducted by September, when it's in a peak? And many students are suffering from corona, and they are not able to concentrate on their studies. So how could they give exams? So these were the some points which much be noticed thoroughly by government or institution, before thinking of conducting any extra exam in COVID pandemic, with other natural disasteric condition. So my appeal to Indian Education Department and Prime Minister is to concern again before taking any decision. Hope government will understand the situation and postpone the exams until normalcy returns.